Today I'm going to show you exactly how to unblock an IP address in Cloudflare, and by the end of this video, you'll know step by step how to let someone access your website again, all while understanding the why behind each setting. This is super valuable if you're managing a site that's mistakenly blocking users or business partners. And you want to fix it the safest, smartest way using Cloudflare's 2026 dashboard. So let's dive right in. First off, it's really important to note the process is different depending on whether you're the website owner or just someone trying to visit a site that's blocking your IP. If you're the visitor, unfortunately, Cloudflare won't unblock you directly. They prioritize the site owner's security settings. So you'll need to contact the website admin. But if you are the website owner, this is for you. Cloudflare gives you the tools to make exceptions for blocked IP addresses. And nowadays, they recommend using custom rules rather than the older IP access rules for much more granular control. Let's start by figuring out what's getting blocked. In your Cloudflare dashboard, head over to the Security tab, and then click on Events. Think of this log like your website's security camera feed. It shows every action Cloudflare has taken to keep things safe. Here, look for an entry that matches the IP address you want to unblock. Sometimes, instead of an IP, you'll get a array ID, which is Cloudflare's tracking code for each security decision. Take a moment to carefully check the details and see which rule actually triggered the block. Maybe it was bot management, a strict WAF rule, or another automated system. Knowing exactly what caused the block helps you create a precise exception and avoids opening your site to unnecessary risk. Once you've identified the rule and the IP, it's time to create what Cloudflare calls a skip rule. This tells your website's firewall to let that specific IP through, even when other rules would block it. In your Cloudflare dashboard, click on Security again. Then WAF, that's Web Application Firewall, and find the Custom Rules section. Go ahead and click Create Rule. Don't rush here. Making a clear and specific rule is key to keeping your site secure while letting the right people in. Now, when setting up your rule, choose IP source address for the field. This basically tells Cloudflare, look at where the visitor is coming from for the operator. Select equals because you want to exactly match the blocked IP, not just a range or similar addresses. In the value box, enter that blocked IP address, the one you found earlier in your security events. Next comes the action, choose skip, which instructs Cloudflare's WAF to skip the specified protections for this address. But here's where it gets even more customizable. Cloudflare will ask which components you want to skip. If you want to make sure the IP can pass all security checks moving forward, you can select all remaining custom rules, but if you only want to bypass specific protections, say, just the WAF managed rules or only bot management, you can do that too. Think of it like opening just one door instead of the whole building for added security. Before you finalize, double-check everything. The exact IP, which rules you're bypassing, and that you're not making an exception that's too broad. Once you're confident, hit deploy. Cloudflare applies this change almost instantly. So your visitor should be able to access your website right away, no fuss. And that's it. You've not only unblocked an IP in Cloudflare, but done it using best practices for security and control. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up. And if you run into any hiccups or have other Cloudflare questions, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical website tutorials. Thanks for watching.